Here this question is asking determine the sign in binary, exponent and sign binary for 19.6875 and the other number. Okay, now let's go ahead and do that. Let's do the A part. In the A part we have 19.6875 and the question is asking us to find out the sign and exponent, and sign in binary is like 0 for the positive numbers and 1 for the negative number. Here this is a positive number 0. And then exponent, to find out the exponent in Mantissa we have to convert this given number into a binary. So let's go ahead and do that. When we are converting a decimal into binary, we deal with the integer part separately and the fractional part separately. In the integer part, to find out the equivalent of this binary, we divide this one by 2 until 0. So 19 divided by 2, that is 9, and the number is 1. And then 9 divided by 2, that is 4, and the number is 1. And then 4 divided by 2, that is 2, and the number is 0. And then 2 divided by 2, that is 1, and the number is 0. And then 1 divided by 2, that is 0, and the remainder is 1. And then we read from bottom to top. So the integer equivalent is 1 1 0 0 1 1. And now we have to convert the fractional part. To convert the fractional part, we have to keep on multiplying the fractional part by 2 until we get 0.006. So here we have 0.6875, and if I multiply this one by 2, that gives us 1.375. Here before the decimal point we have 1, put it right here, and then 0.375 multiplied by 2, that gives us 0.75, and here we have 0 in the point, so we put it right here, and then 0.75 multiplied by 2, that is 1.5. 1 in front of the value after decimal point is 0.5. So we bring that 1.2, that is 1.00, and here we have 1 in. So once we got the 1.00, 0.00 situation, we stop right there and then we read this one. Okay, so the fractional equivalent is 1011. Okay, now here the question is asking for the exponent. To find out the exponent, what we have to move this decimal point for the first one in front of the first one. The first one is located right here, so we have to move this decimal point right here. To move that, 1 2 3 4, I had to cross 4 digits, like 4 times. I had to cross 4 times to reach here, so the exponent is positive 4 since we are moving to the left. Exponent is equal to 4. And Mantissa is, after we move to this point, what is the value? That's the Mantissa. Here they ask us to represent in binary, so we just have to move this decimal point to here, and that is 1.001110, and this is Mantissa in binary. Okay, now let's go ahead and do the next one. In the B part we have negative 0.3675. Let's copy that one. Negative 0. Negative 0.3671 367 and 875. Okay, since we have negative sign, the sign is going to be 1 because of the negative sign. Okay, to find out the Mantissa and exponent, we have to convert this one into binary. So I bring this positive part of this 0.367875 and multiply this one by 2 until I get 0.006. So here if I multiply this one by 2, this is 0.734375 5, and here we have 0 and we put it right here, and then 0.734375 multiplied by 2, that gives us 1.4685, and here we have 1 in front, and then 0.46875 multiplied by 2, that gives us 0.9375. Here we have 0 in front, then 0.9375 multiplied by 2, that gives us 1.875. Here we have 1 in front, and then 0.875 multiplied by 2, that gives us 1.75. Here we have 1 in front, and then 0.75 multiplied by 2, that gives us 1.5. 1 in front, 0.5 multiplied by 2, that is 1.00, and 1 in front. And here we read from top to bottom, so we are gonna have 0.010111. Okay, this is the binary equivalent. Okay, binary equivalent. So to find out the exponent, I had to see how many times I had to move this one to reach the in front of the first one. I move 1 time, 2 times. So when I move 2 times, I reach here. Since I'm moving to the right, this is negative. Exponent is going to be negative. Exponent is going to be minus. Okay, and this is what you're going to have after we move. That's 1.011141. Okay, and this is our Mantissa, and they are supposed to represent binary, so we keep it as like. Okay, that's it for this video. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you guys on my